Good evening from the paradise island of Bali, Indonesia, or at least some people advertise Bali like that. What is paradise? At least if you are watching all of these beautiful bales, gazebos, kind of paradise actually, or at least where we are here today. We're gonna show you where we are. Say actually?
Yes, so we are in Nusa Dua.
Nusa Dua. Basically, nice place, surrounds the hotels, nice tropical vibes, paradise vibes.
We are actually now in ITDC Nusa Dua, basically the area of the hotel, resort, the the complex of the holiday spots. Especially whenever you come to Bali and you want to spend your time in Nusa Dua area. So especially like these people, So yeah, this area is the area of the Melia Hotel,
Laguna Luxury
Laguna
Collection.
Luxury Collection. And then if we go further, is the Westin, and then Sofitel, and many other hotels basically. So for those of you who are thinking about going to Bali and want to stay in Nusa Dua area, so I will stroll around to show you how it is now.
Okay, let's go. Starting with the Laguna Luxury Collection, they have a Laguna ice cream now and a brand new nice looking restaurant. Actually, I like this new concept of the places like this one. Seems like the foreigner manager also here taking care of quality of the service and everything. Looks pretty decent. Not too many people, but looks pretty decent. And also the brand new Promenade here and the people enjoying the time by the beach. Looks nice, but this is also Marriott hotel, by the way. So there's a little bit different standard. Nice. And with this beautiful Bali. Bali is local name, but it's gazebos or gazebos. So that's the tropical vibe. Coconut trees, swimming pool, no, paradise vibe in general. I mean, if you're looking at this one, yeah, it's nice in general. So today we're gonna cover 2-3 hotels and overall show you Nusa Dua, ITDC, what's going on. Also, you can enjoy jogging here, walking, and enjoying the restaurants. There's like a private beach club here, feels like. Now hotels have a little beach clubs. This is very trendy nowadays in Bali. Overall, there's the villa, probably belongs to the hotel, and beach is very quiet. Beautiful weather in general, and that's the end of the Laguna collection. There is the starter. This is rubbish bin actually, by the way, and then will be the Melia. Nice places to stroll around, especially right now when the weather is windy. So it's very fresh and very enjoyable generally to stroll around here, because normally like 2 months ago, 3 months ago, it was very hot, no wind. It was like hard to breathe, but right now it's really enjoyable. For Sayang even it's sometimes too cold, because the wind is coming like cold wind sometimes, especially if you drive a bike by night or something. It could be a little bit chilly, but after that it's very enjoyable. And okay, let's see the Melia, how it's going. So let's go to Melia. Melia is the Spanish brand, nice hotel, mostly for all-inclusive, collaborate together with the big tour companies, especially from Europe, obviously Spanish brand. It's also older hotel a little bit. The same era. All of these hotels, they are from late 80s, early 90s. However, this one didn't have refurbishments recently, like Laguna Collection, what we showed you previously. But overall, nice vibes. A little bit more tropical gardenish vibe, because the promenade is smaller. They have a beach closer to the property. Bar is actually on the other side. Not too many sunbeds here on this particular hotel. Overall, that's the Nusa Dua Bay. I guess because this is the place for the all-inclusive, so most of the people will have a dinner. Night time is also very beautiful here. We also film at night time. You have a sitting also by the beach directly, similar to to Sanur actually, but this one belongs to the hotel. Still, you can come to the restaurant if you would like to. And overall, this is it. Little bit quieter when we were here last time, I have to say. Even at this time, it was busier. Actually, last time was packed when I was filming. Now it's a little bit quieter. Just maybe more cozy, but my opinion of the trends in Bali recently anyways. Even security busy. Not much is going on. They have a kids club, so it's definitely kids-friendly place, and the beach sunbeds are here. And overall, this is it. Also, as you see the differences of brands, the bales or gazebos are a little bit more simpler here. But also this hotel is, I think it's how it was looking 20 years ago, 30 years ago. It looks the same now. So for some of you who likes more traditional look, more classic look, more Balinese look, definitely this one may suit you better. However, there are two different brands, two different hotels. Also, I want to show you a little bit how's the very quiet in Nusa Dua in general, how peaceful it is. Look at the small coconut tree. Overall, low tide today. Beach is nearly empty, only few people enjoying, and sunset over there. And then we're gonna go behind. There is like a interesting place. Stay with us. Overall, still works are going in this interesting place. What I mentioned there was the kind of Pirates Bay, and the part of the restaurants belongs to Bali Collection Mall. But this side of the mall is still closed, and the beachfront doesn't look much more optimistic though. I don't see big machinery there, so that's the improvement. But after that, still like this. Still not much is going on. We're gonna get there closer and show you. Basically, the area here it's called the Bay, Bali. It's totally, well, kinda destroyed. It was Promenade continuation. Probably they're gonna make it. It was destroyed here during the pandemic due to the waves. Well, still some machines left. There was the Pirates Bay here. Where is this fence and some simple construction, bamboo construction. Seems like they are building something. I'm gonna tell you guys, maybe the brand new Pirates Bay, or maybe different company, something. Bamboo construction will always looks good whenever they finish. But let's see. The Promenade also they building new one, and overall that's the vibe. I'm very curious which is something there is going on, because here, yeah, definitely there will be something. Another thing from the bamboo construction. But overall, on the other side, there's actually a huge project here, a huge land, huge area which belongs to Nusa Dua. Belongs to Nusa Dua. It was the part of Bali Collection, connected together, open to public between the hotels. And I'm gonna tell you, I can see they building something eventually recently here. So happy days. Probably next year when you come to Bali, the area will look really nice here. Probably, I hope so. So that's the hotels are there, what I filmed. It's the bamboo construction, and this is the, what was abandoned, like totally now they're really building. But I'm gonna show you, they're building something, so definitely happy days. Happy to see as they doing something with it. Eventually, if you watch my previous videos, the older one, as this area was totally deserted. We made so many videos during the pandemic and after pandemic here, but this is first time when I see they doing something, and those people are actually working here. So as you can see, the project here, they closed down the building Promenade. This side is already something new under the construction, but here still abandoned totally. Just gonna get closer. This is how it was looking. This was something cool long time ago, and this is probably part 2, the phase 2 of the construction. Probably they're gonna start doing something. It was huge and definitely had a potential, but previously everything was looking like this one, and still looks like this one, at least half of it. Basically the Promenade, everything is very quiet here. There are other hotels like Mersaka and Hyatt, Grand Hyatt. There's only one restaurant recently opened with the beanbags. Also the beach situation, and there in the background is Waterblow, which was the island they connect this through the years. And somebody recognized these rocks, still there actually. Overall, really quiet part of Bali. But generally, Nusa Dua is a very important part of Bali, especially for the officials since 1980s, 1990s. They built like a special part of Bali, which only part of Bali what is totally fully planned. So everything together with the hotels, infrastructure, everything is planned here. Somebody make a plan and they really do it, because the rest of the Bali is freestyle. They build whatever it is, they sold the land, somebody built something without any plans, without any infrastructure plans, but Nusa Dua have a plans. And it's different. You can feel everything is like calm and everything looks different. Some people like it, some people don't like it because feels like it's not the Bali vibe. Well, it is how it is, what I'm gonna tell you, but it's very important place in Bali in general. And if you are looking for holidays making typical paradise vibes like I mentioned in the morning, definitely this is the place for you. But only if you're looking for the big resource and just relax, like proper holiday making. But after that it's very calm, so also for some of you who are tired with that, as everywhere is busy, traffic jams, Nusa Dua also is free of traffic, free of people surrounds. It's very quiet. It's nice, quiet, but yeah, it's not for everybody. Also, Nusa Dua have 3 parts, what I mentioned many times, and everybody can come here even if you are not staying in the hotel. So
this is how it is nowadays, Nusa Dua, especially in the area of the Melia, the Laguna, Sofitel, and the other hotels basically. So yeah, what I can say then, the number of the tourists, I think, I don't know, maybe just only one day that we see today is not that really, you know, a big number of tourists here. So this is it. Actually, thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye.